Hey guys, I wanted to share this recipe of sweet poha, which is a great, healthy, nutritious breakfast or snack. You take 2 cups of thick poha in a strainer and then wash it under running water and keep it aside for about 5-10 minutes. Then take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. I used frozen fresh grated coconut that I thawed in the microwave. Now take both the poha and the grated coconut in a bowl. Add some spices. I'm adding some ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and ground ginger. And then for sweetener, you can just add raisins, or I'm adding coconut sugar here, a tablespoon or two of coconut sugar. And then finally, mixed nuts. I'm using a combination of walnuts and also pumpkin seeds, and finally a little bit of sea salt to round out all the flavors. I always like to add salt to my sweet dishes, and then just serve it immediately. Poha has great nutritional value as compared to rice. Check out the caption for more info.